Where is PRZO going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on Parazero Technologies stock? The next minute, I'm going to cover exactly what I'm expecting this thing to go, so make sure to keep watching till the end. Looking at it from this perspective, like this is a daily chart, we're going to see it sitting at $3, right? This thing just in the last 2 days just went parabolic, right? Let's say 6th of October, Friday, went 79% up, and today it's up around what, 132. This thing is mental. Okay, that being said, this surely close above this high, right? Definitely, this is where we open, so it's surely going to close above there, and that's actually going to put it into a bullish perspective, and that's actually good. That's good. Again, if you're not following a strategy, you're basically gambling, and this is just the reality and something that I've actually learned for the last 3 years and 12,500 videos made, and therefore I'm just using my strategy right here and following it. What I'm expecting the price to do, in the most like it's like the soonest times, I'm just expecting the price to continue and just deliver above the highs here. And I think this is just the situation that we're in right now. Obviously, could pull back into whatever, but this is where the liquidity is right now. And I would actually want to see this thing just a little bit, maybe just had it one last push up, then actually come back down to fill in the gaps here and maybe even here. So I will definitely stay tuned for that, right? My rules are not being met, whatever, like whatsoever. Okay, I see one rule by my strategy, therefore I'm just gonna kind of stay away, and I just gave you my thoughts, obviously. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion on PRZO. Um, yeah, have a wonderful day. I was trying to say, don't be in the like group thinking setting. Like a lot of the times, maybe you found this on some forum, maybe YouTube video like this. I'm just giving you my perspective, just to give you the outlook of mine. But if you're a group thinker, right, most of the times you're going to be wrong, right? I want you to have your own kind of strategy and actually test your strategy yourself, then actually be dependent on what other people say, because group thinking is very dangerous. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion.